Okay, find some eggs.
Go find the eggs.
Egg.
Slow down, Nathan. Let your sister find some too. Look around, Lily. Lily.
Where did we talk about? We were right, weren't we?
Put it in your basket, Lily.
Look for another one.
Butterfly. It has my name on it.
Did you see any more? Oh my goodness.
Frost.
Where else?
Nathan's gonna dump his basket.
Nathan,
Careful. You're gonna lose your eggs.
I don't think there'd be one in the sink.
They're all here in the living room.
One more.
Yeah, apparently it's not in the sink.
Nathan, they're all here in the living room.
Oh.
Where else? What do you think?
Oh, another one.
Wow.
There's still more.
Lily.
Huh?
Oh, wow.
Is there any more?
Yeah.
Oh, there are even plastic ones.
No plastic ones this year.
Oh, found another. Is this the last one?
No.
Oh, this one already cracked.
Hmm.
Gotta keep that one safe.
Hey, Lily. Go look by the window.
Wow. That's a lot of eggs.
I think that might be all of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Wow.
We have 11.
You know what?